Hey everyone, welcome to XD Tutorials where we make cool scratch games step by step. In this video, we're making a game where you collect objects falling from the sky, like food, coins or stars. You'll learn how to use clones, random falling, and scoring to make a simple but really fun game. Let's get coding! Okay, the first thing you would want to do is on Scratch homepage, click Create. And then name the project Object Collecting Game. Then delete the scan sprite. And choose backdrop. You can choose anything you want. I'll be choosing the bedroom. And then click on choose a sprite and search bowl. Or in this main page. Now drag the bowl sprite to the bottom of the scene. Then you need to choose what you would be collecting. You can choose anything like a basketball, but I'll be choosing cheesy puffs. Now make this not obviously in sight. And it's rather to not show it. Okay, first we have to add the code for the bowl. Go to events, get the when fly click block, and in motion. Get to go to the location block. Then you need to go to control and get the forever block and get 2 if blocks. Now go to sensing and get 2 key press blocks. Then you want to set these key press blocks to your controls. You can use the arrow keys, arrow left and arrow right, or use A and D if you're using WASD. There. Now go to motion and get 2 change X by blocks. Change the top one to -10 and the bottom one to just 10. Now we have movement in Scratch. Now we have to add a score variable. We'll use it in just a minute. Be sure to click for all sprites. There, we have a score variable on the top. We can select it to be a large readout or a normal readout. You can set it to a normal readout, but if you want, you can use a large readout. Now to add the code for the cheesy puffs. That's it. Now we have to add a when flag click block, then in forever, go to there, and we need to make it spawn clones of itself. Then get the when I start as a clone block, and get a forever one, and also we need the location where it spawns. We need to get the location where it spawns. It has to spawn between -196 get the go to location block and go to operators and get the pick random block and set it to pick random between -196 -196 and and 201. Then we go to control forever and get the change y block and set it to minus your speed. Make this not show and make this one go to looks and get the show block. You want this to be out of this main one to be out of sight, so set the y to 999 300. Okay, it seems it's the maximum we can go. It's not very obvious, and then we can start the oh, forgot one thing. You should probably add a amount of time until the next one comes. So make it 0.15 seconds and still not enough. Make it 1 second. There we go. And one should spawn. See, it's very difficult. You can tweak this to how much difficult you want the game to be. I'm gonna be setting it to 3. And it should spawn. As you see, it's a bit too easy, so we want it to be 2. It depends on your difficulty you want the game to be. So the next one we want to add is a score system. I said we use the score variable later. Get an if block, and if it touches the bowl, it will first change the score variable by 1 and then delete itself. And now your game is finished. There are many stuff we can add, but this is all we'll be covering on this video, and bye.